In the following clip, you will learn how to replace the display and the digitizer of the Nintendo Switch Lite. To avoid any damage, we recommend replacing both components. You can find spare parts and tools in the video description. First, remove 4 3-point screws from the back. Organize all the screws so that you don't get mixed up during the installation. Remove 2 3-point screws from the bottom side, and then 2 more from the top side. Use a pick to carefully run along the side edge. The area near the speakers is the best place to start. Be careful not to go too deep. Remove 4 cross screws. Finally, you can remove the shielding plate. Loosen one flex connection. To do this, fold the latch down. Immediately after that, disconnect the battery connection. Disconnect another flex connection. Remove the marked screws. Pull the unit with the card reader from its place. Remove 3 marked screws. Remove the heat pipe. Carefully disconnect 2 antenna cables. Remove the marked screws and the 2 components. Remove a total of 4 connectors. Now, you can remove the 6 marked screws and remove the motherboard. Pull the speaker unit to the side and put it down. Remove the 2 marked screws. Remove 4 more screws before you can remove the daughter board. Remove 4 more screws. Now, you can carefully remove the unit with the battery. Use a hairdryer that can be heated up to 60 degrees Celsius and warm up the display. Carefully run a playing card along the side edge. Use the hairdryer again. Remove the display glass, the digitizer, from the frame with a playing card. This step is only important if the digitizer is broken. For the new display glass, position some double-sided tape. Attach the display glass. Don't forget to remove the protective film. Use some double-sided tape again. Before you put the unit with the battery in place, attach the new display. After peeling off the protective films, carefully press the two pieces together. Tighten the screws. Please make sure that all the buttons are in place. Once the daughter board is in place, screw it down. Put in 2 more screws and insert the flex cable. Connect all flex cables and fold down the latches. Attach the speaker unit and tighten the connector. Carefully position the main board and screw it in place. Make sure that none of the cables remain under the board. Carefully attach the 4 connectors as shown in the video. Now attach the two antenna cables. Insert two screws and tighten them. If necessary, you can replace the pink thermal paste at this point. To do this, first remove the remnants with a little rubbing alcohol. Now, apply the new thermal paste. Immediately after that, insert the heat pipe and screw it in place. Carefully put the unit in place. After you have tightened the screws, attach the flex connection. Now connect the battery. Then attach the flex connector. Put the shielding plate in place. Screw in 4 screws. Now tighten the back cover. Insert all the outer screws and screw them in place. Glad we were paired together. If you liked our video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell.